Sup world, it's me, D-Dawg Fisty. Yeah, I'm a fist, a white fist. But actually, I'm a gangster. I'm an albino gangster. A white fist hidden under me is blood. Blood. My blood is black just like my heart. 'Cause I don't got no heart. But that's alright. Cause I'm a fist! Yeah! Alright, my bad. Alright. Oh, wait, crap. Someone's at the door. Who's there? Who's there?
Hey, D-Dawg Fisty, I have a question.
He's got a question. What you gotta say, fool?
Where's your ears?
My ears. You wanna know where my ears are?
Yeah.
He's asking a stupid question.
Do you want me to ask a different question?
Please do.
Where's your legs?
This kid is getting on my nerves.
I only asked a question.
Kid is so sad. Still wets the bed. Just kidding. Alright. Ooh, I want some energy drinks. Energy drinks. Alright. Let's see what I got. Hold on a second, please.